Good morning, friends. Hope that all of you are doing good. So, last few sessions I was more of talking on soft skills, or I would say life skills, which will help us to make our ongoing life much better. So, to take a diversion from those soft skills today, let's talk on a technology topic, which is kind of getting very popular among the people now. We all might have heard the terms such as Metaverse or Web 3.0. So let's talk about what is Web 3.0. So Web 3.0 points out the next evaluation of the current internet that is very widely used by us for multiple purpose. We can't even imagine having a life without having internet even for a single day, even for a single hour. So that's how the internet has become a very much integral part of our daily life. So what is Web 3.0? Before seeing this, let's have a quick glimpse on the evaluation of internet from the beginning. So Web 1.0 means the initial version of internet or initial form of internet, which started in 1990s, during which we used to have only static HTML pages. There is no dynamic pages. You can't have videos, you cannot have audios. They are just text pages, and you can only read. You cannot do any further. You can't input any data. You can't upload anything. You can just view the HTML page and take the data from there. So this was initiated in 1990s. Then towards early 2000, I would say around 2005. The next version of internet, that is Web 2.0, came to picture, which we are very widely using now. We can see the content from web pages as well. We can create our own content. We can post things, or we can post videos. You can post audios. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tinder, Instagram, all these are different formats of the wonders that are brought by Web 2.0. That means from the static condition of Web 1.0, now the internet has moved to dynamic version. That means dynamic means it's not only a read only web. You can write, you can upload voice messages, you can upload videos, you can do so many things. So internet has become much more interactive. You can post content. All those things are made possible with the arrival of Web 2.0, which is the current version of internet. So anything should evaluate and move, right? That's how things should move. We get old every year, like that. Every technology invention need to cross over its evaluation path. So internet is not exceptional for this evaluation path. So the next evaluation stage of internet is called as Web 3.0. So what is Web 3.0 means? See, the Web 2.0, there are some flip side. Like for example, we cannot own the content that we are posting. You may be posting many content in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. So many. There are web spaces available. We will be able to create content. We can post, but you cannot own it because this content will be controlled by those companies who are running those web pages. So that means internet is indirectly controlled by few individuals like Mark Zuckerberg or like Elon Musk, who is owning Twitter. So like that, the internet is kind of owned by the biggies like Google, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. These companies, by and large, they are called as big techies. These guys are kind of indirectly owning the internet. So also the another flip side of this is one is we don't have ownership of the content that we create and post. Second one is there is no privacy of the content that we post. We may be posting something very, very personal to our life. For example, you went to a coffee shop, barista, or you go to some other coffee shop, you sit and sip a cup of coffee, you say that you are in barista or Starbucks. Then this is something very private to you. So that means you like coffee from Starbucks. So knowing this, these guys, Facebook or anywhere where you post this advertisement, next time when you log in, they will start showing coffee related advertisements. That means your privacy is peeped. They get into your privacy, they understand what you like, what you don't like, which is very much private to you. And this privacy is compromised by these biggies with or without our knowledge. Most of the time we all know that Whatever data we post, it is visible to everyone. It can be used, it can be sold for marketing purpose. So these flip sides are will be resolved in the next evaluation of internet, which is called Web 3.0. Because this Web 3.0, in the Web 3.0 evaluation, the internet from the level of centralized control, it will become decentralized. Means rather of the internet being controlled by few biggies such as Google, Twitter or Facebook, LinkedIn or these kind of companies, the user will be able to control his own space in the internet. Whatever content he will create, he will have complete control over it. He will have a complete privacy around what content he is posting. This internet Web 3.0 evaluation, the individual, the biggies cannot control the internet like how they do now. So that's a big plus of Web 3.0, which is everyone is expecting to be here in next few years. So because this, how this is made possible is, this Web 3.0 is not an individual technology, because this is this technology is kind of supported by various other new technologies such as decentralized autonomous organization, DeFi, which is decentralized finance, then blockchain, smart contracts, artificial intelligence. All these new technologies put together, they drive this Web 3.0. Also so much hype creating Metaverse, the new technology Metaverse. Web 3.0 will be the driving force of this Metaverse also. And even Web 3.0 will promote the usage of cryptocurrencies such as NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens, which are kind of like digital tokens, which can be used in the world of Metaverse. So Web 3.0 put together, it's expected to be a very much exciting new technology arrival, which will help the users to have more of personalized internet experience. As well, this Web 3.0 will help users to experiment how the new technologies such as Metaverse, DeFi or DAO, which is called decentralized autonomous organizations, blockchain, all these things, how it will make our life much more easy. So that's the idea behind Web 3.0. And again there are two conflicting opinions about Web 3.0. One side of the opinion, it says that this is of much marketing related hype. Whatever we do using the Web 2.0 now, that is more than sufficient. Web 3.0 is not going to bring anything new to our life, until otherwise we are being a technology geeks or gamers who will be always in virtual world, it means we will be traveling in virtual reality world or augmented reality world. Then Web 2.0 should be sufficient. In case we are gamer and geeks who are exploring new technologies to make our life more entertained, then yes, Web 3.0 will be a good technology to look into. So let's wait and watch. Any new technology arrives, it will have its own plus and minus. Let's take the plus and let's leave the minus. Okay, take care, stay blessed.